You know, you can go down and show what you're doing on that too. Alright, just wanted to give you a good viewpoint of what's going on. Everything's getting taped up for the rubberized coating going on underneath and on the inside of there. All on the insides of the floor. Everything's being taped up. All the undercarriage of the bed is going to get rubberized coating. George's over here taping and working on the other pieces. And the other pieces are getting set up in here right now. The goal is to be spraying everything today and have all these pieces coated, and then he only has a few other small pieces to get actual paint on. So, all right, well, here's all the inside. Everything in here. I don't know how many hours Josh's been in here spraying. He's been in here spraying this shit all morning. We went through tenting it and getting it all worked up. It came out really well. This is all the inside of the fenders. All the inside of this is the front fender. And that's all the inner of the front fender. This is a rubberized bed liner that we can put a tint to it, and so we dyed it by adding in the paint that is on the exterior of the car. So, and there's all the inside of the bed. And then we also do have the mat coming for it and everything too before all the seats. Man, I gotta get out of here and turn the fan back on. It's fumy. It's rich. That's like this. This is the battery tray. But before we did this, we seam sealed all the cracks down inside, and then we rubberized coated the inside and the outside of it. All this is that tunnel piece. This is under your seats. The other side is all painted. This is the inside of your floors where your feet will go. And then the mats will go on this too. So this turned out really cool. All right, but here it is between the two colors. This is the inside stone guard that we tinted, and it's really good. It's on there, it's solid. It's only been a couple hours. It'll really harden over the next few days, but it's a rubberized coating. And it really matched up pretty well. It did a pretty good job of tinting it up. So it turned out real nice. Looks real good, doesn't it?
So last week I got the exhaust and intake manifold on along with the heat shield. Today I got the carburetor fuel line on. I am running my brake lines so I can finish mounting all my wiring because the brake lines have to mount behind the wiring. Oh boy. And then other than that, I've gotten some pedal, like the brake and clutch pedals mounted. They need adjusted. A couple of interior things got done, but I've been mainly running wiring and trying to get this to the point where we can start it and break it in.
Okay.
Hey.
Yeah.
The arm has to be all the way touching that stop for me to tighten it.
Yes?
No, here. light good?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
All right, cranking down. Maybe.
Alright.
I was ready. And these go on the
Outside.
outside.
In the back, in the front, goes on the inside.
Mine's landing on the outside of the plant.
Okay, maybe.
And my next is going
Hold on. Your flange is on the inside of the bed, right? Or
Yeah. Yeah.
On that. That's where it should be, and the back should be over it.
Mine is, but the other ones are not.
All right, lift up and go to the reverse on the back side. Go your flange is on the
freaking spot.
Maybe this was a requirement for him to open up a bar on Broadway, but at least hours of being we need a little more swag. Possibly.